Hi, my name is Jose Daniel Delgado Fuentes. Today I'm gonna explain how to make a delicious cupcakes for Valentine's Day. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 color of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, wrappers for the cupcakes, mold for cupcakes. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl on low speed until the mix stays very wet. Bake it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's done. To know if it is done, click with the stick in the center of the cupcake, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Let it cool in the mold to 10 or 20 minutes. Take them out from the mold, and now it's time to decorate it how many your imagination wants.